What's up YouTube? My name is Jeremy Biggers and I'm an artist based out of Dallas, Texas. And today we're gonna take a look at how I absolutely ruined a mural that I was working on by trying to do too much. I had what I thought was a pretty strong concept, something that was gonna be really cool if I could execute it. It just didn't really go the way that I wanted it to. If this is your first time here and you're wondering what the scribbles are on the wall, just search through my videos and find the doodle grid video and it'll explain everything about how I'm able to get my proportions onto the wall accurately using this method. It's always a great time getting to paint with my really good friend Hatsil. A lot of people like to hang out at bars with their friends. He and I just like to come out here and catch up while we're painting. This painting is a portrait I took of my cool ass wife. It's one of those photos that I knew the moment that I took it, it would make a cool painting. All right, bro. Here goes nothing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got to see it through, my boy.
So with these, I wanted to test how good the transparency was on the transparent paint. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a gradient over a pretty realistic grayscale portrait. I didn't really like the results. It turned out really muted. I had to go back in and kind of push the darks a little bit further. But now I know that. I like doing these types of projects, the self-initiated projects that aren't on the clock, so to speak, where I'm not being paid to do them. I'm just coming out and really experimenting and learning and just trying to get better with the materials so that when I do get a paying job, I'm not having to learn on the fly and learn on the job. I'm learning, on my own time so that I already have those tools in my tool belt and that I can approach every project that I'm hired for with confidence because I know what will and won't work before I even enter the building or enter the site wherever I'm doing the piece. So I don't really feel like this piece was a success, so to speak. I thought the black and white version was pretty cool. I really liked that a lot, but once I put that gradient on it, I didn't like it at all. And again, that comes with the territory of experimenting and learning as you go.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give.
All right, so that's it for this one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe here on YouTube and hit that bell so that you're notified every time that I post. And also consider following me on Instagram where I post a lot of the projects that I'm working on real time. And as always, ask yourself, what have I done today to help me live my dreams tomorrow? I'll see you on the next one.